You're welcome once again to my YouTube channel, Make with Bella. Today we are going to make the best authentic Hausa Koko for your breakfast. We are going to start by soaking our washed millet overnight in a covered bowl. The next day, this is how the millet looks. We are going to wash it twice in a clean water, as you can see. And then we are going to need ginger, dried chili, half tablespoon of cloves, half tablespoon of alligator pepper, and half tablespoon of black pepper. I'm going to put all these ingredients into the blender and then blend until it is smooth. Right, so now we are going to sieve the blended ingredients into a different bowl. Don't forget to add water to bring out all the juice, all the milk out from the chaff. As you can see, I am doing this twice to make sure that all the chaff are out from the milk. Cover the milk and let it settle overnight. Now the water is separated from the millet starch. I took some of the water out so that I can control the consistency of the Hausa Koko. Now do not throw the water away because that is what we are going to use to cook the Hausa Koko. Now on the medium heat, let the water boil and then you add the millet starch to the boiling water. Don't forget to keep stirring or else you end up having lumps in your porridge. You can add more water if the Hausa Koko is too thick for your liking. Now, your porridge is ready to be served. Add some sugar, some milk, and then roasted peanuts. This goes with pinkanso or beef loaf or bread. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and then let me know in the comment box how it tasted when you tried. Thank you for joining, and I hope you're going to try this recipe. Bye.